Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 4 best Autotrader Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 4 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM, or Forex Time, is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2011. Serving clients in over 180 countries, it's known for its transparency, reliability, and strong regulatory framework under authorities like the FCA, CySEC, and FCA. FXTM offers access to a wide range of markets, all through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5. With competitive spreads, fast execution, and a wealth of educational resources, FXTM aims to empower traders of all levels with the tools, knowledge, and support needed to trade confidently in global markets. The broker gives traders access to more than 1,000 instruments across global markets. Their offering includes major asset classes such as Forex, Commodities, Metals, Indices, Stocks, Cryptocurrencies, Futures CFDs, ETF CFDs, and Crosses CFDs. FXTM's diversified instrument lineup makes it suitable for traders who want flexibility to explore different markets and asset types. From traditional shares and commodities to more speculative instruments like crypto and futures. FXTM provides traders with a versatile suite of trading platform options designed to suit different styles and devices. At its core are the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, both available on desktop, mobile, and web browser versions. For mobile-centric or beginner traders, the broker also offers its own proprietary mobile trading application, which acts both as an account management interface and trading platform. It links directly to your MetaTrader account in the background while providing in-app dashboards, trending instrument lists, trade signals, and an economic calendar for on-the-go trading. The broker offers a variety of trading account types designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their Advantage account is the most popular option, featuring ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips and access to a wide range of instruments. It's available on both MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms with a minimum deposit of around $200. For traders who prefer commission-free trading, the Advantage Plus account provides the same market access but with slightly wider spreads starting from about 1.5 pips, also available on MetaTrader 4 and 5. Lastly, their Advantage Stocks account is tailored specifically for equity traders, offering direct access to global stocks with no commission, tight spreads, and trading exclusively through the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Overall, FXTM's account options are flexible, transparent, and designed to give traders the freedom to choose what best fits their strategy and goals. The broker provides a robust knowledge hub full of free educational content across all experience levels. Traders can dive into guides and tutorials covering basics like what is Forex, candlestick patterns, strategy types, and risk management. Their ebooks, often authored by seasoned market analysts, explore topics in more depth, from trading habits to technical theories. For those who prefer watching and listening, the broker offers a series of educational videos, spanning foundational concepts to advanced tactics. They also host seminars and webinars, allowing traders to engage live with expert presenters, ask questions, and absorb market insights. They also feature a library of articles and market commentary, which keeps users updated on technical patterns, economic developments, and trading perspectives, all written by experienced analysts. Whether you're just starting out or refining your edge, FXTM's education suite gives you structured reading, visual learning, and interactive formats to level up your trading knowledge. At number 3 is Alpari. Alpari is a seasoned global broker with over 25 years of experience in the financial markets. Founded in 1998 and trusted by over 1 million clients worldwide, The broker offers access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads and commission-free accounts. Traders can choose from multiple platforms, providing flexibility for both mobile and desktop trading. The broker supports its users with extensive educational resources, including demo accounts, webinars, tutorials, and expert market insights, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. With a variety of account types, Alpari accommodates different trading preferences and strategies, while daily market analysis helps users stay informed and make well-considered decisions. The broker gives traders access to over 750 financial instruments across a wide spectrum of markets. You can dive into Forex, trading major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. Commodities are also available, like crude oil, Brent oil, and natural gas, as well as metals including gold and silver, great for leveraging international exchanges. Cryptocurrencies are also available, as well as ETF CFDs, futures CFDs, and crosses CFDs for unique cross-market opportunities. The broker offers a choice of 3 powerful trading platforms. The proprietary Alpari trading application is designed for mobile traders, giving easy access to markets, account management, and trade ideas on the go. For desktop users and advanced users, MetaTrader 4 provides reliable tools like customizable charts, automated trading, and multi-account management. Meanwhile, MetaTrader 5 expands on this with more indicators, deeper market access, stock trading, and advanced strategy testing. Perfect for traders who want more flexibility and power. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different experience levels and strategies. Their micro account is ideal for beginners, using cent-based balances and smaller trade sizes to trade real markets with lower risk. The standard account provides access to most trading instruments with no commission and a low minimum deposit, making it suitable for less experienced traders. For more advanced users, the ECN account offers tight spreads and commission-free trading on Forex, Indices, and Commodities, while the Pro ECN account is designed for seasoned traders, providing zero spreads, low commissions, access to all instruments, and advanced trading tools. Alpari keeps traders informed with timely market news and in-depth analysis across multiple instruments. Its daily updates provide expert insights into market trends, price movements, and key economic events, helping traders make more informed decisions. The analysis covers everything from currency pair fluctuations and commodity trends to stock market shifts and macroeconomic developments, giving traders a comprehensive view of the markets. Whether you're tracking gold, oil, or major currency pairs, Alpari's analysis section equips you with the tools and insights needed to refine strategies and respond quickly to changing market conditions. At number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of forex trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 4 best Autotrader Forex brokers, we have XM. XM, one of the most well-established and globally recognized Forex and CFD brokers in the industry, was founded in 2009 and has grown to serve millions of traders worldwide. The broker offers an excellent range of tradable instruments, including Forex, Indices, Commodities, precious metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. XM supports both MetaTrader 4 and 5, giving you access to 2 of the most popular trading platforms in the market, with fast execution, a wide range of indicators, and analytical tools. XM's mobile application gives traders a fast and convenient way to trade over 1,000 instruments on the go. It features real-time pricing, quick execution, advanced charting tools, and customizable price alerts. The XM app delivers a smooth and reliable mobile experience, while including built-in market news, analysis, and strong security, all while delivering a smooth and reliable mobile trading experience. Their account options include standard, ultra-low, and shares accounts, alongside demo and Islamic account options, with minimum deposits starting from just $5, making XM accessible for new traders while still offering advanced features for experienced traders. The broker is regulated and trusted by multiple authorities, including the CySEC, the ASIC, the DFSA, and the FSC internationally, ensuring a secure and transparent environment. They offer strong client protection with segregated funds and negative balance protection, giving traders added peace of mind. With powerful platforms, low entry requirements, strong regulation, and a commitment to trader education, XM delivers a balanced and user-friendly trading experience for traders of all levels. If you're looking for a versatile and reputable broker to support your trading journey, XM is one worth considering. And those are some of the top 4 best Autotrader Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.